needed the TikTok logo for an email. Now normally I'd just go on Google, I'd find it, copy it in, but I really needed the white version where the little symbol is next to the TikTok on the side rather than above it. And it's a bit hard to find, so what I've done is I've saved a vector copy in my logo set. So I've got the white version there and a black version there. Just a lot easier to get to, a lot quicker when I need it. In the kitchen, our teaspoons are in this drawer here, and they're right at the very back. As you can see, that just shifted a little bit. Even if you pull this, the front here, push it to, it shifted a little bit. And again, it shifted even more. So you have to keep pulling it all the way out and then adjusting this back to the front to get to the spoon. So I'm gonna fix that. So to fix it, I've just put some rubber feet at the back there where these utensil holes will stick. And now, when you open it, it doesn't move. It stays in the right place and it's easy to get to spoons.
Asked Jake just to make me this laminated separator for this clipboard. This clipboard is for when I go around chasing the orders. This is just so I can put any orders that I've already checked out the way so I don't keep going through them. He's also put these little sneak peek areas in as well for me. So thank you very much, Jake, for your help.
Before I didn't have access to the prototype Kanban creator, just so when custom orders come through, I couldn't do it. I let Chris handle it. Chris has now shared that with me, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add it to a bookmark, so here is accessible in the top section. Cool, so it's now bookmarked and saved in the prototype custom Kanban, so it's easy to access. All I need to do is just press these arrows and go to this bookmark here.
My 2.3 packing has got cable ties attached to it on a magnet, but it's a really awkward box to manage, and as you can see my Kanban is just stuffed in the middle, making even more of a mess inside the box. So now with Damien's help I have got 2 holders here. Now my cable ties look a lot better in the new holders. And it's a 2-pin system with a little Kanban on the front to scan when I run out of the first slot. And they kept in there a lot easier and it looks a lot more tidier. And also, when I do need them for packing, they will just stand upright wherever I need them or hang them on the side. Lock reset tools for our locks for parcel boxes, for example. Don't take a lot of space, as you can see. This is the full 220, and I have been using a 2-pin system with a big Kanban covering the whole box, but now I have got a smaller version of the Kanban holder, and now I can fit 400 in one XO2 tab instead of using 2. Sending Secret Garden products, I do struggle with having the instructions being delivered here with the product, and also my printer, being a thermal printer, printing small black and white labels hasn't been good enough. So to save myself loads of miles a year, I have got a stack of colored labels for the boxes and also instructions for each of Secret Garden products. Just a comparison, that's what I would stick on a box, and this is what I'll be using now. So thanks to Jake, now my instructions and manuals folder, I have all the instructions and I have the Kanbans for printing more labels as well. To remove this heavy cardboard tool, which is hanging above the cardboard, which has dropped a few times on the machine and on us, I will swap it with the same one as I've got in pre-packing one. So just to tell you, this brush weighs ½ kilogram, and the old cardboard tool 1.4 kilograms. I have a lot better fitting holder for the cardboard tool, all nicely labelled and where it goes. Pre-packing 2PC printer has thermal labels stuck right next to it, and there's a Kanban stuck in the middle, and temporarily that had a small Kanban just stuffed in there. So to follow the standard, I have got a 2-pin system, 2 XO3 boxes, a Kanban separator here, for when to order it as you run out of the first box, and the remaining label rules over here. I caught myself looking for a on-switch button on this PC today. See, obviously it doesn't line up when it's not turned on, so I'm just adding a sticker here so I don't have to think about it ever again. The thick card sheets that are standing in between the two cardboards didn't have a marked location on the floor, so I have put the line marking on the floor. I've got a sign for the pallet itself, and also the cardboard's moving, cutting and so on. The back of it does stick out beyond over here, hence I have put moving parts at the end of the cardboard and in front of the floor markings for the cardboard sheet.
Great job everyone, thank you very much.